wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best lift kits for the Dodge Ram 2500. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the readylift 69-1231 is offered in 3-inch configurations and will make your truck stand out while providing all the necessary parts, including solid coil spring extensions. It's a quick install too, and you won't need any special tools. It works with existing factory parts and offers clearance for up to 35-inch wheels, but it is very overpriced. Moving up our list to number 6. If spring suspension lifts are your thing, the Skyjacker R25 gives your truck a bolder stance by swapping your stock springs for taller ones. You'll get a beefed up suspension and a good amount of ground clearance that makes for a smooth ride. These are made to absorb large bumps and are easy to install. However, they do require longer struts. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Rough Country 392.23 includes front struts and coils, which means that you won't have to rely on spacers to increase the ride height. The control arm drop brackets preserve the longevity of the axles by maintaining their original operating angle. These provide up to a 5-inch gain, and the kit includes steel leaf blocks, but it requires some drilling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lift kits for the Dodge Ram 2500, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Bilstein 5100 can be used with most 2.5-inch leveling kits to substantially improve the ride quality of your suspension. The monotube strut design has a higher oil capacity than twin-tube models, which translates to better performance. It includes rear dampers and replacement bolt bushings. However, it doesn't come with spacers. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Rough Country 343.20 3-inch system is a great option if you don't want a conventional front spacer set. With off-roading in mind, it boasts strong fabricated rear lift blocks and a high ground clearance, and is backed by a lifetime replacement warranty. It features high-performance dampers and longer springs, and eliminates the need for coil blocks. At number 2, the Supreme Suspension's AZM 34.2 comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from 1.5 to 3.5 inches. They're compatible with your factory CV axle geometry, and the strong carbon steel composition should last for your truck's lifetime. These come with 5-inch back spacing, sway bar brackets, and nicely machined and painted spacers. And taking the top spot on our list, the Rough Country 30230 is one of the best on the market if you're looking for a complete package. It comes with all the necessary items needed for installation, as well as extra parts to beef up your suspension in order to maintain your truck's factory ride quality. It includes front and rear dampers, laser cut blocks, and a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lift kits for the Dodge Ram 2500, or simply click beneath this video.